Next students listen. Aerobiology. What is mean by aerobiology? The study of airborne organic particles. That is aerobiology. Then agriculture. What is agriculture? The study of producing crops from the land with an emphasis on particle applications. That is agriculture. Then orchinology. What is orchinology? The study of orchids. Astrobiology, the study of evolution, distribution, and future of life in the universe, also known as exobiology, exoplantology, and bioastronomy. Next, biochemistry, the study of the chemical reactions required for life to exist and functions, usually focus on the cellular level. Then, bioengineering, the study of biology through the means of engineering with an emphasis on applied knowledge and especially related to biotechnology. Okay. Then, biogeography, the study of the distribution of species uh, spatially and temporally. That is a biogeography. Next, students, bioinformatics. What is mean by bioinformatics? Use of information technology for the study, collections and storage of genomic and other biological data. Biomathematics, mathematical biology, the quantitative or a mathematical study of biological process with an emphasis on modeling. That is a biomathematics. Then biomechanics. What is mean by biomechanics? Often considered a branch of medicine, the study of the medicines of living beings with an emphasis on applied use through frost or orthotics. Next, biomedical research, the study of the human body in health and disease. Okay, there is a biomedical research. Then musicology, the study of music from biological point of view. Then biophysics, the study of biological processes through physics by applying the theories and methods traditionally used in the physical sciences. Next, students, cell biology, the study of the cell as a complete unit and molecular and chemical interactions that occur within a living cell. That is a cell biology. Okay. Then conservation biology. What is meant by conservation biology? The study of the preservation, protection, restoration of the natural environment, natural ecosystem, vegetation and wildlife. That is conservation biology. Then cryobiology, the study of the effects of lower than normally preferred temperatures on living beings. That is a cryobiology. Then developmental biology, the study of the process through which an organism forms from zygote to full structure. That is a developmental biology. Next, environmental biology, the study of the natural world as a whole or in a particular area, especially as affected by human activity. That is environmental biology. Then, epidemiology, major component of public health research studying factor affecting the health of populations. Okay, then epigenetics, the study of heritable changes in gene expression or cellular phenotype caused by the mechanisms, other changes underlying the DNA sequence, that is epigenetics. Then ethology, the study of animal behavior. Okay, listen, the study of animal behavior, that is a ethology. Then evolutionary biology. What is evolutionary biology? The study of the organ and descent of species over time, that is evolutionary biology. Then biotechnology, a new and sometimes controversial branch of biology that studies the manipulation of living matter, including genetic modifications and synthetic biology, that is a biotechnology. Then building biology, the study of the indoor living environment. Indoor living environment, that is a building biology, students. Then hematology. Hematology means what? The study of blood and blood forming organisms, that is a hematology. Okay, then herpetology. What is meant by herpetology? The study of reptiles and amphibians, that is a herpetology. Okay, then histology, the study of cells and tissues, a microscopic branch of anatomy, that is a histology. Then ichthyology, the study of fish, ichthyofish, that is a fish. The study of fish, that is aquaculture. Culture means the fish farming. Okay, that is aquaculture. Ichthyology means the study of fish. Integrative biology, the study of whole organism, that is the integrative biology. Then limnology. What is meant by limnology? The study of inland waters, that is a limnology. Listen. Next, mammalogy. What is meant by mammalogy? The study of mammals. Students, mammals, what is the example of mammals? Human beings also mammals. Okay. Then marine biology. What is marine? What is meant by marine biology? The ocean or biological oceanography. That is a marine biology. The study of ocean, ecosystem, plants, animals, and other living beings. Okay. Then molecular biology. What is meant by molecular biology? The study of biology and biological functions at the molecular level. Some cross over with biochemistry. Okay. Then population biology. What is meant by population? The study of groups of conspective organisms, including, there is a population biology. Population ecology means what? The study of how populations dynamics and extinctions, that is populations ecology. Then population genetics, the study of changes in gene frequencies in populations of organisms, that is population genetics. Then plantology, the study of fossils and sometimes geographic evidences of prehistoric life, that is a planetology. Then pathobiology or pathology, the study of disease and the causes, process, nature and environment of disease, that is a pathobiology or pathology. Then pharmacology. What is meant by pharmacology? The study and practical applications of preparation, use and effects of drugs and synthetic medicines, that is pharmacology. Next, students, physiology. What is meant by physiology? The study of functioning of living organisms and the organs and parts of living organism, that is physiology. Then phytopathology, the study of plant disease, that is called plant pathology. Then psychobiology, the study of biological basis of psychology, that is a psychobiology. Okay, that's all, students. Okay, thank you.